Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the gold market. Well, in fact, it's not much that we could say on the gold market, because as you can see, market is calling around the same resistance, 12 even, and it's nothing really new. So you can see the range becomes smaller and smaller day by day. So you can see that was inside session to this one. Yesterday that was inside session here. And right now again we have the small candle right around the monthly period resistance one. Well, by technical picture, market is forming some sort of the pennant pattern that theoretically should be bullish, and in general, this thrust up looks bullish, and consolidation below and in an area of the significant resistance, it also seems bullish. So technical picture mostly promises further upside action. But what will happen in reality, that probably only non-farm payrolls release will tell us. But in general, as we said yesterday, as we do not have any clear and large patterns, big patterns on the daily chart, we have completion of this ABCD pattern. So take a look at this. Same harmonic swing. You can see we calculated. You can see that we have in fact ABCD, and theoretically we have Gartley's triple to sell, right? But by taking on this leg, you can see that this leg has been completed by just a single candle to the upside, and it's very fast. And what is more interesting is that market just has not erased this action. It just stands with a small retracement. Even no 618 retracement has happened, just minor. I'm not sure that was really even 38 retracement, and that is not typical for the bearish market. If market is really bearish after completing the retracement up and hitting all intraday targets, as we said, normal bearish market turns to the downside. But this is not happening. This market just calling around the fib resistance, around the monthly pivot resistance one, at the completion point of this ABCD. And the only conclusion that we could make here is that picture mostly looks bullish rather than bearish. But again, all will depend on the numbers. In the short-term perspective, in the tactical perspective, it will depend on the numbers. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the only pattern that we could show you is just the butterfly. But since the gold market is very cunning, the butterfly could be completed at any scenario, at in the positive non-farm payrolls release, and in the negative, because that just could happen on some volatility spike. So if, for example, negative numbers will appear, gold just will continue to move higher. If positive numbers will appear, maybe some spike will happen here, just on the volatility splash, and market also could complete the butterfly and turn to the downside after that, if the positive numbers will appear. So that's just the tactical pattern that could appear. But in general, nothing more we could say. So only the things that we already have said is that the standing below the significant resistance is not very typical for the bearish market, especially when the ABCD ultimate target has been completed here. Its normal behavior suggests downward continuation. But right now we see that is not the case. So that's why in the gold market we think that it's better to do nothing till the non-farm payrolls release, and later we will see what to expect. Because as to the upside, as to the downside, action could be really significant, and we probably will have the time and possibility to take the position in favor of the further direction. Because if direction will start to the downside, market really will have chances to reestablish in the long-term perspective action to the 1050, and the prices will be depressed on the gold market. If some bigger retracement to the upside will happen, we said that could be the target approximately 1265. Is the next target on the daily chart of this on this ABCD. The 1618 will stand somewhere in this area. So here we also will be able to take the position in favor of this action. So let's see what will happen, but the pure technical picture seems bullish.